coming to you live from Bastar. This place is called Kanker. It's called the gateway to Bastar. And really today, while it's one of the most remotest areas of the country, it has seen some of the big leaders here. Narendra Modi has come here today, and tomorrow at this place itself, Rahul Gandhi is expected. And so a lot of people over here usually complain that they don't see as much political action. Leaders usually take choppers to come and campaign here, but it is witnessing a battle royale. In fact, this is going to be one of the first places to go to polls. Our pundits here, we have from the BJP, we have Sohan Potani. He is a sitting MP of the BJP. And from the Congress, we have former Minister Shiv Netam. They'll be speaking to us about whether big issues, national issues matter here or not. And everybody's talking about Narendra Modi. So we'll be talking about whether people over here, whether the tribals, they relate to Modi being a factor or not. First, let's take a look at what Narendra Modi said and how his rally was received here in Kanker.
If it was a barometer of BJP's prime ministerial candidate's popularity in this remote part of Chhattisgarh, far away from social media and the hype of pitched political debates, Narendra Modi didn't do too well, with many empty spaces in the crowds. A few days before the first phase of polling, Modi chose two Maoist-dominated locations other than the Chief Minister's constituency for his public meeting.
अभी भीड़ नहीं होने का कारण वही है कि हर किसान के खेत में धान है, उसको कटाई कर रहे हैं.
But in this tribal belt, he did succeed in connecting with his supporters by ridiculing Congress's policies.
आज उन्होंने भाषण किया, खास दिल्ली से आए थे और उन्होंने कहा हमारी पार्टी ऐसी है जो बोलती नहीं है, करके दिखाती है. बोलो, सच बोला कि नहीं बोला? एकदम सच बोला कि नहीं बोला? ये कुछ बोलते हैं क्या? कोयला चोरी हो गया बोले थे क्या?
In terms of numbers, this wasn't Narendra Modi's biggest rally. However, he did make some interesting ideas. For instance, in this backward region of Bastar, he talked about poverty alleviation, focusing more on that than development. Also, he made fun of Rahul Gandhi, who's due to speak here tomorrow. His infamous statement about poverty being a state of mind.
60 kilometers away, UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi was also in Bastar with a marginally larger crowd.
Well, tomorrow you will see in the same venue how the crowd will respond to Congress leaders.
So while the battle of UPA and BJP came to Bastar today, the voter knew it was far away from their concerns.
ये जो चोर लुटेरों के पैसे विदेशी बैंकों में जमा है ना, उतने भी हम रुपये ले आए ना, तो भी हिंदुस्तान के एक गरीब आदमी को मुफ्त में 15-20 लाख रुपए यूं ही मिल जाएगा.
आप वोट के लिए बोल रहे थे, अपने के लिए सही बोल रहे.
अच्छा.
With camera person Mursalin and Sunetra Chaudhary in Bastar, Shweta Rajpal-Kohli, NDTV.
So everyone talks about the fact that Modi is going to be the changing. He's the one driving the BJP, the prime ministerial candidate, and he has national appeal. And this really could be the test case. But if we think of it as a test case, what does this rally show? So here's our first talking point. Is Modi a factor that's going to be influencing votes in remote areas? Now, sir, you're a sitting MP. Now, what we saw here today was, otherwise Narendra Modi has huge crowds. Why is it that today we saw very few crowds? There were less than 5,000 people and lots of empty spaces. That's not usual of Narendra Modi rallies. Do you think his popularity is less in these tribal areas?
ऐसा है, यहाँ वैसे कोई ये नहीं था कि 5,000 या आसपास रहा होगा. इसकी जो आज की जो सभा
थोड़ा सा कम ही लग रहा था सर.
ना जो भी है, लेकिन आज तक सब व्यस्त हैं. लोग कृषक हैं, किसानी में व्यस्त हैं. फिर दूसरी चीज है, सभी कार्यकर्ता जो कि अब 2-3 दिन ही बाकी रह गया, इसलिए अपने अपने बूथों में यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, वहाँ कार्य कर रहे हैं. और जो जितने भी यहाँ कार्यकर्ता मोदी जी को सुनने देखने आए थे, वो स्वयं पे आए थे और कोई इनको भीड़ बढ़ाने का प्रयास नहीं किया।
Exactly that. You know, they were most of the people, because I was trying to speak to people to gauge their mood, and most of the people seemed like BJP workers. So it didn't have the normal people, the common janta wasn't coming. So aren't you worried that he is not striking a chord? He's not as popular as the chief minister over here.
ना ऐसा है,
even though because he's PM candidate he should be.
ना ऐसा नहीं है। ये केवल ये कांकेर जो विधानसभा के ही यहाँ पर जो थे पॉपुलेशन थे, बाकी पूरे जिले के यहाँ पर मौजूदगी नहीं थी, क्योंकि हर जिले में हर जगह हर पोलिंग बूथ में अपने अपने वर्कर कार्य कर रहे हैं, इसलिए वहाँ यहाँ आना उपयुक्त नहीं था। यदि वोट नहीं होता उस समय यदि कोई नरेंद्र मोदी का जो भीड़ रहता तो बाकी जगह में होता, इसी तरह से होता। और मेरे ख्याल से आज जो कांकेर में जहाँ भी ग्राउंड है वो पर्याप्त नहीं होता।
Okay, Mr. Netam, they are saying that there is a reason why there weren't so many people at the Modi rally. Do you accept that?
No, there is a different. You say that this is the remote area, and this is the assembly election, not a parliamentary. Public knows the issues of the parliament and the assemblies.
Okay.
And also this maybe causes, he said.
So your understanding of why Modi didn't attract too many people, your understanding?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you expect by the same logic that not that many people will come for Rahul Gandhi's rally?
Maybe.
Because people don't care so much about national leaders?
Not national leader. They are their own problems. There is some crops cutting is running.